us move into work groups and projects. This comes under the project management module. It provides the solution to create unlimited projects, tasks, and subtasks. It includes many features like task automation, task assignment, time tracking, document drive, and also chats and conversation. And all this can only be accessed by the project members. For example, let's look into this by default project created in Bitrix. Now as you can see, we have a personal activity stream for this particular project. Similarly, we have tasks where we can create tasks inside this project for and assign it to the employees. We have calendar, drive, a personal drive, and also chat, where you could chat with your fellow members, project members. Similarly, in the task module, you will get a list of all the tasks created in this Bitrix, be it the independent task or a task created under a project such as this. This task XYZ is created under the project New Corporate Identity. Here you can get all the list, and even you can filter it out by looking for only the ongoing task, currently ongoing task. From here you can also get the list of all the projects and also the Kanban view of your task. Now let's move into document management. With Bitrix24, you even get a fully featured document management system. It allows you to create, edit, and share documents with your fellow users and even with clients. Here you have multiple drives, such as, for example, my drive. This is your personal drive with all your files and folders accessed only by you and not by anyone else. And this company drive and further all drives is shared among all users in your organization based on the permissions provided. You can even share your personal folder or file with your fellow employee if required. As you can see, there are multiple options. This makes it easier to manage all your documents, all the company folders, files, and everything in an easier and in a more structured way. Thank you.